Hello and welcome to the new lecture of NFT course for absolute beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss the scams happen in NFT business and how to avoid that. So first is catfishing and fake personas. Catfishing is when someone sets up a fake online profile to trick people. It is usually happen to get money out of them. Because NFT sales happen virtually and all marketing is done on social media, it is easy to get catfished. Popular NFT communities commonly hire influencers and celebrities to promote them, making it difficult to tell which ones are real or not. But this is possible to avoid this kind of scam easily. And that is if you ever receive a direct message from someone who claims to be a founder, celebrity, or influencer, don't respond. It is commonly known etiquette in the NFT world that C-level staff will never DM you unless you send them a message first or you come to a specific agreement in a public Twitter thread or Discord channel. The second is bidding scams. Bidding scams happen mostly in the secondary market after you have purchased your NFT and you want to resell it to the highest bidder. Once you list your NFT for sale, bidders might switch up the cryptocurrency used without telling you. Instead of receiving 5 Ethereum, it is about roughly $15,000 to $20,000 for your favorite NFT. You could only receive $5. To avoid that, double check the currency used and never accept a lower bid than what you want. The third one is plagiarized NFTs. Anyone can turn any photo or image into an NFT whether they own the rights to that property or not. Scammers and bad actors could easily steal an artist's work and open a fake OpenSea account where they list counterfeit or plagiarized NFTs for auction. So that's it with this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.